Hey, statistics people, we got 4 pages of notes, but I think I'm going to get through them real quick and set you off to your weekend. Section 2.5, we're getting back into chapter 2 today, is about scatter plots and then actually putting a best fit line through a scatter plot. Okay, so here's a scatter plot comparing the speed one is driving, some kind of car, and the resulting gas mileage when you're driving. I'm going to skip this part and I'll go down this definition first. You ready for this? A regression. In statistics, a regression line is a line that describes how response variable y changes as a result of an explanatory variable x changing. Regression lines in statistics are always written in the form, listen to it now, listen for it, y hat is equal to a plus bx. That's right, I just called that y hat, where y hat is actually pronounced y hat in every statistics book. I have no idea why. Y hat now is the predicted value. It's a predicted value of y for any given value of x. If I have an equation, it's a linear equation. If I have an equation of a line, I put something in for x, multiply it by a slope and add something, I'm going to get a predicted value for y. Okay, let's go back up here. Looking at the scatter plot on the right where they put the line on there, underneath they gave us an equation. Kind of hard to see, but they gave us an equation. Y equals 20.6 plus 0.22 times speed. So I'm going to write it this way. Y hat is equal to 20.6 plus 0.22x. Or I'm going to write down mileage, because mileage is the y value. You can see the word mileage over here. And then, yep, I'm going to put a hat over it. Mileage hat is equal to 20.6 plus 0.22 times speed. Frequently in statistics, since it's a class about context, there's always a story behind what we're doing. We frequently take the name of the variable and actually write an entire word, and sometimes it gets a hat. Hey, use the equation from above to predict gas mileage when you're going 55 miles an hour. Well, that's a speed, isn't it? 55 miles an hour is a speed. So since speed goes right in here, this is going to go like this. Y hat is equal to the 20.6, that is the y-intercept, of course, plus 0.22 times 55. That's just putting a number in for x and getting a number for y. That's math you guys love to do. The answer is 32.7. So given the data, 32.7 miles per gallon seems about right. Why? Because if you look at where 55 is, it's right here. And if you go up until you hit that line, that's the y value that we just got. But look, it's somewhere in this neighborhood, and that's about 32 to 33. 32.7 makes sense. Okay, I'm going to go to the next page so that you guys see what's going on here. At the top of this page is an example. So what I want you to do is get yourself a Libro, go to page 131, and read the example on how much is that truck worth.